Hello, welcome to GED exam preparation class. I am your host and instructor, Ruben Herrera, and on today's video, we're going to learn how to do addition. Okay, addition is very simple, my friends. One of the things about addition is that we have to make sure that the numbers are aligned properly. Now also that we just learn the place values, and we know that each of these numbers has a place value, we have to make sure that we align our numbers according to the place values too. And after we do this, we always have to make sure that we write our numbers nice and neat too, because then if you don't, I see some students that write their numbers and it looks like a chicken scratches. And when you do that, it's even hard for yourself, even though it is your own writing, it is hard for you to solve operations. So always make sure that you write your numbers nice and neat and they are aligned properly. Now, let us go ahead and answer for these additions, okay? So on that first one right here, I have 4 plus 3. This is equals to 7. I'm going to put my 7 right here. Oops, my eraser fall. Now, the next one is 5 plus 2 is equals to 7, and there you go. Simple. The operations that you're going to do on your GED exam are actually this simple. The thing is that the students are always in a rush, trying to solve for the exam, try to solve the problems, or they don't pay attention and they still get these type of problems wrong. So make sure that you pay a lot of attention on your problems, on your exam, okay? Let us do the next problem right here. I have 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. And then 8 plus 9 right here, this is going to be equals to 17. And I'm going to put the 7 right here, and I'm going to add 1 right here at the top. Now I have 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 6 is 10. And I add another 1 in here. Now I have 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 1 is 4. And we are done. And this is the way, and this is how we solve for additions, my friends. The key is make sure that you align your numbers properly or accordingly, and take your time, pay attention. Okay? Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button. And if you didn't, please don't do anything. And I'll see you in our next video. Thank you.